welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be going through this year's Get Lippy Latest in Beauty box. If you are new here, I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it so I know to do more of these for you. I've very kindly been gifted this box from Latest in Beauty and I wanted to really showcase it to you because 10% of the proceedings actually goes to a charity. This is for the Eve Appeal and this is their Get a Lippy Smash into Booze with Latest in Beauty box. So it looks like this. It retails, like I said, for £25. 10% of the proceedings do go to charity. It is actually on sale at the moment whilst I'm filming this for £20. So definitely have a little look and see whether it's something that you would like to try out. But it comes filled to the brim with products worth £85 and I haven't actually had a look what's in here, so I'm excited to go through it with you at the same time. And when you open it, it looks like this. And the first thing that I saw is this little badge, which is for the Eve Appeal. So this is protecting women for gynecological cancers. So please, 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 if you can, donate some money to the Eve Appeal. It's for a future where fewer women develop and more women survive the 5 gynecological cancers, which is cervical, ovarian, vaginal, vulval, yeah, and womb cancers as well. So I love that they get a little badge in it as well, and it has for more information like a phone number for you to ring, and there's also a website. So if you go on www.eveappeal.org.uk you can find out exactly what this charity is all about. We also have a little parcel from Hanks as well, and this has 1 male condom ultra thin in it as well. So I also got inside the little box as well, there was a little kind of card of Hanks saying breaking news, women have sex. Because like I said, this box is all kind of to do with breaking taboos. In case you didn't realise, women have sex too. We also have a card from COTM, I'm not too sure how you pronounce it, but they are proud to be supporting the Latest in Beauty and the Eve Appeal collection box, and it comes with a Be Kinder to Your Vagina little travel mirror as well, which that'd be funny to whack out at work, wouldn't it? So TOTM is a ethical and sustainable period care. It includes organic cotton pads, liners and reusable menstrual cups as well. I've actually been considering trying a menstrual cup just because I've saw so many people recommending them and saying how good they are. So if you've ever tried one, can you please let me know so I know whether it's worth my money. One of them is actually a tampon. So this is from the brand OHNE. And this is their, I think it's like an organic cotton tampon as well. Here's like a little weird fun fact, kind of breaking taboo kind of topic for me. I've never actually tried a tampon before. I've always been a pads person, just because I've been told about all the toxic stuff that's in a tampon, and obviously that's going uppy foof. So yeah, I've never actually tried a tampon before, and I don't know if my mum has either, because she was always the one that said don't try them. So I'm not too sure, but yeah, I've never actually, as a fun fact for you, never actually tried a tampon before. So first in the box we have the Elemis Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm. It says, get an instant shot of hydration. This mint and vanilla scented lip treatment creates a barrier to lock in moisture. So next up is a hair serum, which I didn't expect to be in here. So this says for short hair 2 to 5 pumps, for longer hair 4 to 8, and it's meant to lock in weightless moisture, and it's apparently suitable for wet and dry hair. I'm all about that. That can go straight into my hair dryer because anything that's going to help fix my hair and give it more moisture, I'm all about that life. Next up is a Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel, which just looks like this. So this is a Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. Gotta keep your foof clean. Next up is a red nail varnish. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that brand at all. We also have an absolute staple, which is a little Carmex pot. This is just an original lip balm. I absolutely love the smell of Carmex. Next up we have a Lip Coat and Coat Lip Sealer. I'm sure I've had one of these before and it went out of date before I had a chance to try it because it was just kind of lost in one of my drawers. But it's meant to be the original lipstick top coat. It's meant to be a transparent formula which helps to make sure your lipstick lasts and makes it stop it from transferring, smudging, feathering. So yeah, I'm excited to try that and hopefully I'm actually going to try it this time instead of it going out of date. We also have a Ciate little mini highlighter in here as well, which I think is so cute. This is the Glow to Mini highlighter in Moon Dust as well, and it looks absolutely stunning. I think that'd be gorgeous as an eyeshadow colour as well. Love, love, love. We also have a mini little Kiehl's product. This is the Ultralight Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen. And it's SPF 50 as well. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying that out as well. I'm honest with you, sun cream is not something that I use on the daily, and I probably should. And then we also have another tampon, I believe. This says 100% organic cotton with a biodegradable cardboard applicator. So I think one of them comes with the applicator, one of them doesn't. See, I'm totally new to all this stuff because tampons aren't my like go-to when it comes to period time. So yeah, I might actually try it. Seeing I've got some to try. Ooh, we have an MUA Super Stylo Satin Finish lipstick, and this colour looks beautiful. It's called Heroic. Ooh, this looks really nice. I think this would be so nice for when I'm at work. Kind of like a nice day-to-day kind of lipstick colour. And like I said, that's from MUA. Second from last, we have, oh my god, I remember when everyone used to absolutely rave about these, and you could only ever get them in America, and then people like buying them off eBay for like ridiculous price. Now you can buy them everywhere, no one's really bothered about them. But I'm totally up for another one. I've never tried this scent before. This is the EOS Sweet Mint Lip Balm. As well, a little lip balm ball. So I'm excited to try this. I think I could smell it already through the packaging, and it smells nice. And then last but not least, and one that like I was so excited about with this parcel, this is a little mini of the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Lipstick in the shade Man Eater. And it just looks like this. And obviously it's metallic, so it's like a sparkly kind of red. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Really excited. Should we swatch it? Let's swatch it. The applicator is so cool. Let's swatch. Okay, I can't really see what I'm doing right now. That looks amazing. Oh my god. Look at that. It's nice because it's like, don't get me wrong, it is metallic, but it's not like a, like your lips look funny kind of metallic colour. It's like, it just looks like it's a very juicy, like shiny kind of red. Oh, so excited to try that, and all the other products that are in this box. Like I said, 10% of the profit does go to charity as well. It's on sale at the moment when I'm filming this video. I'm not too sure if it will be when it goes live, but please go check it out. I'll leave it linked down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, 6 o'clock UK time, and I shall hopefully see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.